Greetings to all. My name is Laya Acharya, PGDM Student of Atharva School of Business. We at Atharva get to learn and experience something new every single day. Moreover, we have insightful professors and industry experts on board to guide us throughout the academic year. We have got wonderful infrastructure with all the amenities like innovation lab, smart classrooms, seminar halls, admirable swimming pool, and of course our library, which is a one-stop place for students to get all of their study resources and a comfortable environment for reading. This library offers variety of collections ranging from periodicals, journals, business magazines, and much more. Apart from that, I am a member of Marcom Team, contributing in the content creation of all social media posts. With such hands-on exposure and opportunities, Atharva helps me elevate my skills. Thank you.